Welcome to Plant a Garden TV, guys. This is how I save my seed. This is some okra seed right here. You see the amount of seed I have here? This could plant down a farm. But this is what I do. I save my seed, so I have my seed to plant every year. Let me show you the amount of seed. What? I'm going to throw out a little bit. You see there? And the buckle is still full. And this right here, I guarantee you, could plant a big area. So this is the container, this is what I save them into. And I air them out from time to time. So this is, you see the cover? This is people save food in container like this. So this is what I do, and I put them, and then I air them out from time to time. So don't forget to save your seed that you could plant back for next season. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.